Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to fill a shape with a pattern in Photopea. I applied two methods. Method on see this shape, any shape. Method on click effect tab, pattern overlay, and see this pattern scale, angle, opacity, blend mode, multiply color. Apply this item and change pattern. Click pattern. See this many patterns and upload pattern as it is and apply method 2. I already added this shape. Go to file, open and place. Open here pattern, PNG or image, JPG as you wish. Example, use transparent pattern. Place it, replace, transform control, hold control, move or warp. Then right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Change blending mode, color dots, apply. That's it.